In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop auto-reply in Gmail when you're in vacation mode. Maybe you've had an amazing vacation and your auto-responses have been catering to those inbox queries in your absence, but now it's time to return and take the reins back. Whatever the reason, turning off that vacation responder is a simple task, and I'll show you exactly how to do it. First up, you'll want to begin by opening up your preferred web browser and navigating to gmail.com. This is where it all happens. Make sure you're logged into the Gmail account from which you want to stop sending auto-replies. If you're not, no worries, just type in your credentials and you'll be ready to go. Once you're inside, it's time to dive into the settings. Look towards the top right corner of the screen and you'll see a small gear icon. This is your settings shortcut. Go ahead and give it a click. A drop-down menu will appear, and here, you're going to want to select See All Settings. Clicking this option takes you to the main settings page. Now, with the full settings open, you're looking for the General tab. You'll notice it's probably the first option on the left side. Click on General, and you'll be presented with a variety of settings. I know it might seem a little daunting at first glance, but stay with me. Scroll down gently until you see the section labeled Vacation Responder. This is the area where you initially set up your auto-reply. The Vacation Responder section is where you'll find your current settings. If you previously set an end date for your vacation responder, you're likely not receiving any auto-replies as of now. However, if you did not set an end date or if you want to stop it manually before the set date, this is where you take control. To turn off auto-response, simply choose Vacation Responder Off. It's usually the first option under this section. Just in case there are any changes you want to make before disabling it entirely, it's worth taking a glance at the subject and message to ensure everything is wrapped up neatly. Once you're satisfied, the most crucial part now remains. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and make sure to click Save Changes. This is a fundamental step to ensure your settings are properly updated. And there you have it, it's that simple. You're back at the helm of your emails, and anyone messaging you will receive no automated replies. Thanks for joining me in this straightforward guide. Remember, ease back into your emails, and if there's anything else you want to learn, feel free to check out other helpful videos. Until next time, take care.